In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete received payment that has been deposited in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever realized a customer payment was recorded by mistake or included in a deposit when it shouldn't have been, this walkthrough will help you remove it cleanly and keep your books accurate. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click New. From the menu that opens, select Bank Deposit. This takes you to the Bank Deposit screen, which shows you the list of received payments that are waiting to be deposited or that may have been included in a deposit you're reviewing. Think of this page as your staging area for deposits. It's the best place to track down the payment you want to remove and open it for changes. Scan the list for the payment by customer name, date, or amount. When you see the received payment you need to delete, click it to open the full payment details. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one. Deleting a received payment will remove it from the customer's balance and your income reports, so make sure you're not deleting a valid transaction. If you're confident, proceed to delete the payment. When QuickBooks asks you to confirm, accept the prompt. This action disconnects the payment from any deposit it was included in, which is exactly what you want when cleaning up an incorrect entry. With the payment removed, you're brought back to the bank deposit screen. Now select the bank account where the deposit will go. This should be the same account you use for your regular deposits, such as your checking account. Add the date for the deposit so it falls in the correct reporting period. If you're tidying up an in-progress deposit, review any remaining items you still want to include. You can also add optional details like a memo or reference number to keep your records clear. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've successfully deleted the received payment and updated your deposit so it accurately reflects the transactions you intend to include. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the payment was part of a reconciled month, consider talking with your accountant before deleting to avoid throwing off a reconciliation. If you need an audit trail, consider noting why you deleted the payment in a memo elsewhere. And finally, after making changes, it's a good idea to run a deposits or customer transactions report to confirm everything looks right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your deposits in QuickBooks Online with confidence.